India's first hydrogen train. How does hydrogen fuel cell technology work? India has taken a major step towards sustainable transportation with the approval of its first hydrogen fuel cell based train. On 22 May 2026, the railway board approved the operation of a 10-coach hydrogen powered train on the Jind Sonipat section of Northern Railway in Haryana. This initiative places India among a select group of countries such as Germany, Japan, China, and the United States that have adopted hydrogen-powered rail technology. What is a hydrogen train? A hydrogen train uses hydrogen fuel cells to generate electricity instead of relying on diesel engines or overhead electric lines. The approved train is a hydrogen fuel cell-based DMU diesel electric multiple unit equipped with a 1200 kilowatt propulsion system. The train consists of 10 coaches, including 2 driver power cars and 8 passenger coaches, and can carry up to 2,638 passengers. How does it work? Hydrogen is stored in high pressure tanks on board the train. Inside the fuel cell, hydrogen reacts with oxygen from the air to produce electricity, which powers the train's electric motors. The only byproducts of this process are water and heat, making it a completely clean and eco-friendly technology. Unlike diesel trains, hydrogen trains emits no carbon dioxide or harmful pollutant. Key features: route Jind, Sonipat, Haryana. Train formation 10 coaches. Maximum operational speed 75 km per hour. Engine power 1200 HP. Passenger capacity up to 2638 passengers. Hydrogen storage facility 3000 kg capacity at Jind. Exhaust emission only water vapor. Importance of the Jind hydrogen plant. To support the project, a dedicated hydrogen production plant has been established at Jind. The plant uses electrolysis to split water into hydrogen and oxygen, producing green hydrogen with the help of 1 megawatt electrolyzer. This ensures a reliable and environmentally friendly fuel supply for the train. Why is this initiative important? Hydrogen trains can operate on non-electrified railway routes without requiring expensive overhead electrical infrastructure. They help reduce carbon emissions, lower pollution levels, and support India's goal of achieving net zero emissions. The project also aligns with the National Green Hydrogen Mission and showcases India's commitment to clean energy innovation.